Hello everybody, welcome to my new update video. Here is given that factorial equation. Today I will solve and factorial and challenging math. Here is given that x plus 7 factorial by x plus 3 factorial is equal to 7920. Let's go start. Here again, before we know that factorial 8 such as 8 into 8 minus 1 factorial is equal to 8 into factorial 7, such as 7 into factorial 6, and such as. So we can write here and x plus 7 into x plus 6 and x plus 5 and x plus 4 and x plus 3 factorial by x plus 3 factorial is equal to 7920. Okay, next we can write here x plus 3 factorial and x plus 3 factorial cancel. Next we can write that x plus 7 and x plus 6 and x plus 5 and x plus 4 is equal to 7920. Okay, 7920. Then we can write here is x plus 7 and x plus 4 and x plus 6 and x plus 5 bracket, and here is bracket is 7920. Okay, then we multiply x plus 7 and x plus 4. Here we can write x square plus 4x plus 7x plus 28. Okay, and multiply x plus 6 by x plus 5. We can write x square plus 5x plus 6x plus 30 is equal to 7920. Okay, and next we can write here is 11x plus here 28. We can write 29 minus 1, and here we can write 11x plus 29 plus 1. Okay, here 30 is equal to 29 plus 1 is equal to 7920. Here is x square plus 11x plus 29, and here is x square plus 11x plus 29. 9 is common, so let x square plus 11x plus 29 is equal to m. So we get m minus 1 and m plus 1 is equal to 7920. We know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we can write m square minus 1 is equal to 7920, and we transform minus 1 from left side to right side, or adding 1 both sides. We can write 7920 plus 1 is equal to m square m square is equal to 7921. Okay, we know m square is equal to a all square, and as m is equal to plus minus 89, then we can write m is equal to 89 or m is equal to minus 89. Putting the value of m, we can write x square plus 11x plus 29 is equal to 89, and here also we can write 11x plus 29 is equal to minus 89. Okay, then we can write x square plus 11x plus 29 minus 89 is equal to 0. Here we can write 11x plus 29 plus 89 is equal to 0. We can write x square plus 11x minus 60 is equal to 0, and x square plus 11x plus 118 is equal to 0. Then we can write here x square plus 15x minus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. Here is x common, 150 minus 4 x plus 150 15. Here x plus 15 and x plus 15 is common, x minus 4 is equal to 0. X plus 15 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 15. X minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Here is x is equal to minus 15. Negative number has no factorials, so is rejected, and is x is equal to 4. Here we test del is equal to 11 all square minus 4 into 1 into 1 8 is 1 to 1 minus 2 and 7 and 4 is less than 0, so it is rejected. Because there has no real value. So the final value of x is equal to 4. Everybody please subscribe my channel to get new updated video. Okay, thank you.